This is my book that I made, and it's called Under Ocean Life. The first page is beluga whale. We discovered belugas 9 to 10 million years ago. They're about 2 men long. They're sometimes attacked by polar bears, but mainly by orcas. Belugas swim about 10 kilometers per hour. Their voices sound like chirps, whistles, and squawks. Narwhal. Did you know that a narwhal's horn is a tooth from its upper jaw? Narwhals are closely related to belugas. Females don't usually have a horn. Humpback whale. Humpbacks are found in the colder parts of the ocean. They're the most musical whale. Males sing songs that can be heard by other humpbacks from hundreds of miles away. Humpbacks migrate to warmer parts of the ocean in the summer. Dwarf sperm whale. The dwarf sperm whale is the smallest of whales we've discovered. They're often mistaken for a shark because behind their eyes they have fake gills. Most people can't tell the difference between a dwarf sperm whale and a pygmy sperm whale, but how you can tell is the dwarf sperm whale has a more pointed snout. The dwarf sperm whale's blowhole is a little off to the left. Orca whale. Orcas are more closely related to dolphins than whales. They're 1 man longer than the great white shark. They find prey using echolocation. It bounces off the prey so they can locate where their prey is. Puffin. Puffins are easily recognizable by their large multicolored beak. Puffins live in groups called colonies. They dive about 100 feet into the ocean for fish. Emperor penguin. Emperor penguins live around the coast of Antarctica. After the female has laid an egg, the male spends several months taking care of the egg without food until the mom returns. Nurse shark. The nurse shark lives around coral reefs in the warmer parts of the Atlantic and eastern Pacific Oceans. They spend the day hiding in shadows and come out at night. They move slowly and eat slow things such as lobsters, octopus, and more. Indo-Pacific humpback dolphin. This dolphin prefers shallow water and is rarely seen far from land. They eat small fish, especially around the edges of swamps. When they're born, they're gray. As they grow, they turn pink. Sea otters. Sea otters often put a rock on their stomach, then smashes a clam on the rock while floating on their back. Sea otters live around parts of the North Pacific Ocean. The ringed seal is unusual because it lives in 2 different kinds of water, salt and fresh. They live around Europe and Asia, sometimes in the lakes of Russia. Salmon. This is king salmon. When salmon hatch, they swim downstream to the sea. After a few years in the sea, they swim against the current to return to the same spot they hatched to lay their eggs. This picture is a king salmon. Giant squid. Most squids might be the size of your finger. Think of a squid that could be as long as your house or 2 orca whales. marine iguana. The marine iguana is the only lizard that lives in the sea. These reptiles live only around the coast of the Galapagos Islands in the eastern Pacific Ocean. They can stay underwater for 1 hour. And then I made a little whale game, and it's connect the whales to their name: beluga whale, narwhal, humpback whale, dwarf sperm whale, and orca whale. And then this is the author page. Hi, my name is Lyla. I'm holding my bunny when she was about a half of a year old. I got inspired by a book called Ocean Life Dictionary, written by Clint Twist.